Hi YouTube, Farlan here, and welcome to another episode of Lifestyle Sneakers. Today we're going to unbox the newly released Adidas ZX 4040, so stick around. Let's start with the box. It's in matte black and there's a 4D and Adidas logo in gloss black. And you open it like this. There you go. This shoe is actually an updated version of a retro runner from 1989, the Adidas ZX 4000. The 1989 version has a chunky dad sneaker silhouette that's been trending since 2017. And I think it retroed late last year, around December. However, this version has a more of a sleek athleisure look similar to other popular silhouettes from Adidas, like the Ultra Boost. Now let's look at the details. The upper is completely made out of the Adidas Prime Knit material in white, gray, and a little black here. And it's TPU welded with the Adidas 3 stripes logo on the medial and the lateral side. There's a black suede overlay that goes around the upper from the forefoot to the heel area for extra lockdown support. Then you have the torsion branding in yellow printed on the lateral side. The same suede material in beige can be found here in the lace loops, here on the lateral side, and here on the heel. Now, the junction of these suede materials will be forming the heel calvet. The tongue is made of nylon mesh material with foam inside, and it's in linen green. Now, on the tongue pad is the black Adidas trefoil logo. The upper is finished off with the hits of red stitching, and there's a leather overlay here that has the ZX 4040 branding, and the shoe is supplied with yellow laces. And the highlight of the shoe is this full-length 4D midsole. It's very high-tech. According to Adidas, it was digitally printed with light oxygen and liquid resin. And supposedly it gives you a controlled energy return. To finish it off, the outsole is made out of black rubber with hits of red here and the same 4D green color here. That's it for the shoe. In my opinion, this is a great casual sneaker, especially if you're looking for the athleisure look. It's gonna go well with sweats and joggers because of the runner silhouette. With a retail price of $350 US, you get premium quality materials for the upper and a state-of-the-art cushioning technology for the midsole. If you ask me about the steep price tag on this one, if you really want it, it's worth it. Now, if you like free stuff like I do, you better check out our next episode. We'll be doing another review like this one, and we'll be releasing the mechanics for our very first giveaway. So watch out for that one. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you liked it. If you do, please press the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We're also on Instagram and Facebook. All the mechanics of our giveaways will be posted there. All the links will be down below. Again, this is Froylan. See you soon.